Good day to all. This is Amirthalingam Madhu. Today's topic is West Facing House Vastu Sastram. One of my Vastu client called me from Krishnagiri, Tamil Nadu. He would like to take a consultation from me. He already made a basement for house construction, but he found there is some mistake in his drawing and basement. He would like to take a consultation from me. He called me on 15th June 2020. He is working in the Indian Army. So I checked his present drawing. There is three major mistakes. One is northwest staircase. What he made it northwest cutted, and he made it internal staircase, which is non-compliance of Vastu rules. Second major mistake was northeast north staircase. West facing plot is having a two plots. He bought a two plot, 30 by 50, 30 by 50. Total measurement is 60 by 50, around 3,000 square feet. You would like to construct a north facing house. And the second mistake was portico in the northeast north. He made a portico with pillar, which is a non-compliance of Vastu rules. Third, there was a mistake in inside a toilet. So these are all the mistakes he made in his drawing. I corrected the drawing. I informed them to modify their basement before starting the construction. He was very happy because after seeing my plan, he was very much satisfied, and he told he will modify as per my guidance. So west facing house, people misunderstood all west facing house are bad. This is a misbelief because west facing house, many people making lot of mistakes. That is the reason people misunderstand all west facing houses are bad. But as per Vastu, all directions are good, but we have to construct as per Vastu rules. Today we will see three topics. First one is what shall come in a west facing house. Point number 2, Vastu defects in a west facing house. Point number 3, what kind of issues may create in case of Vastu defects in a west facing house. Point number 1, what shall come in a west facing house. West facing house, basically plot should be square or rectangle. There should not be any road in the west and south junction, which is called a southwest corner house. That will create a lot of disturbances. Point number 2, north and east should be more space compared to west and south. Point number 3, west facing house, there should not be any portico with pillar. This is non-compliance of Vastu rules. Point number 4, in west facing house, many people are making mistake. They are making a staircase in internal corners, which is non-compliance of Vastu rules. If you want to make a staircase, it should be west center or south center. Point number 5, west facing house, if you want to make a staircase in southwest, there should not be any toilet below the staircase. Point number 5, west facing house, there should not be any borewell, well, septic tank in a northwest west side. So these are all the important things we should consider when you make a west facing house. What are all the Vastu defects in a west facing house? West facing house, many people are making mistake. They are occupying a complete space in the east side. West side there is having a lot of space, which is non-compliance of Vastu rules. Point number 2, septic tank in a northwest west side. Point number 3, borewell in a southwest corner. Point number 4, water tank in a southwest corner. Point number 5, what happened? Southwest there is a staircase, below there is a toilet and bathroom. These are all the common mistake people are making. That is the reason people misunderstand south and west facing all houses are not good. This is a misconception. So all directions are good when we construct properly. Point number 3, in case if you make vastu mistakes, vastu defects, what kind of issues you may face. In case of north, west, there is a well or borewell. This will create a lot of disturbances, especially for ladies. It is related to heart attack, it is related to accident, these kind of issues. Point number 2, if there is a corner house, south and west having a road, if it is these kind of plots, it's a very difficult to handle the situation. There is a lot of disturbances between husband and wife. So always it is a confusion state. So these kind of issues may happen. Point number 3, in case of northwest north T junction, what will happen? It is related to love marriage. It is related to loss in the share market business. It's related to husband and wife relationship. So these kind of issues may happen. So when you plan to construct a west facing house, you should be very careful. You have to plan accordingly as per Vastu rules. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you.